What is up, guys? My name is Clay Wong, and today we are jumping back in the K20 Civic project. It's been a long time coming, but I'm super excited because today we're going to be doing a 3-stage detail with a protective coating on this car. It's really going to make it stand out and pop, and it's going to maintain that fantastic condition for years and years to come. So we're over here at 2020 Detailing, and the guys over here have decided to partner up with myself to offer one lucky viewer a chance to win the same 3-stage detail valued at over $1,000 to one lucky Australian viewer. So if you guys want to win, stay tuned to this video. I'll give you the full rundown on how to take part in this epic giveaway. So as some of you guys may or may not already know, I had the car fully restored in 𝘚𝘉𝗏 about 6 months ago. The boys over at 𝘗𝑇𝐵 Bodyworks did an awesome job on the car. But during that time, you really need to let that paintwork settle into the bodywork before you can start detailing it or doing any kind of stuff to it. And Ori is going to be taking care of my baby for the next 3 days. Here's the man himself. How you going, bro?
Good, mate, good.
So tell us what we're going to be doing here today.
Today we'll do a decontaminate on the car.
Awesome.
We'll give it a clay bar treatment as well.
Okay, sick.
Before we get into the correction phase, we'll inspect the body to make sure the paintwork's in good nick.
Of course, yeah.
And then we'll go from there.
Sounds good, man. So it's a full 3-day process, yeah? You're going to be sitting down, ironing out all the kinks, right?
At least 2 days minimum to sort of go from top to bottom of the car. We'll do a 2 or 3 stage paint protection on it.
Okay.
So we'll layer it up and we'll have to let it cool overnight.
And that's going to really preserve the condition of the car and the paint, right?
Yeah, it's going to preserve it for many, many years and amplify the gloss to another level.
Okay, awesome. If you guys really want to win this detail, definitely stay tuned. So what's this car back here, bro?
That's our new 2020 project car. It's a Nissan Silvia S14.
Damn.
Series 2.
What are you doing to it, dude?
It's going to be it started off as a small restoration, but now we're going crazy. Similar to your car.
Yeah.
Top to bottom respray, everything's coming off.
What color?
Original color.
Yeah.
We're going to tweak
What's that?
it. It's sort of it's called the 𝘗𝗔𝗟𝑔𝗔𝗓.
𝘗𝗔𝗓𝗔.
Yeah, sort of purple color.
That's sick, man.
And
Dude, I can't wait to see it when it's done. Dude, we got to do a review on it as well.
definitely, man, definitely.
Again, thank you so much for doing this, bro. I really appreciate it. So let's cue the montage, man. It's been 2 days since I left the car over here, and we're gonna go pick it up. I can't wait to see it. Hopefully it looks brand spanking new again. Let's go, guys. Seen this car pop like that ever before. When it was painted, it looked glossy as hell and brand new, but it didn't have that sheen and that finish that this car now has. Wow, they've really done a good job. Huge props to 2020 Detailing, man. You guys have killed it. If you want to take part in this epic detail giveaway, make sure you subscribe to the channel, you like this video, head on over to the Instagram page of both myself, Clay Wong, as well as 2020 Detailing. Make sure you're following both of them, and then head on over to my most recent post about the detail giveaway. Make sure you comment and tag 3 of your friends. And that's about it, guys. You can score yourself a $1,000 giveaway just like that.